There's a couple simple steps to the process of developing products versus idea generation, then is screening, then is concept testing, business analysis, product development, test marketing, and finally commercialization.
Okay, the first step in the process is idea generation, which is seeking product ideas to achieve the organizational objectives. And there's two ways that ideas can be generated, which are internal ideas and external ideas. Internal are from people who work for the company, and external can be feedback from customers, similar ideas from competitors, or ideas generated by private research groups hired by the company. And for example, in 1985, Nespresso decided that they needed a more convenient way to brew coffee, which took a lot of brainstorming from the company. The next step is screening, which is selecting the ideas with the greatest potential for further review. This is the phase that decides if the product matches the business mission, objectives, and resources, and most ideas are rejected during this phase. For example, after Nespresso had many ideas of how to brew coffee more conveniently, disposable pods was the idea that passed the screening test.
The next step is concept testing. This is useful for measuring product interest. A sample of potential buyers may be asked questions about a product, and this gathers information about their attitudes and purchase intentions towards those products. A company like Nespresso may send out surveys to their customers to get their thoughts on new products.
The next step in a business development process is the business analysis. Business analysis helps companies make data-driven decisions, optimize resource allocation, and improve the effectiveness of their marketing efforts to drive business and grow the success of the company. Some examples of business analysis that we've learned in class are the SWOT analysis, the marketing mix, and the trend analysis. Next, we're going to look at how Nespresso is using business analysis. Nespresso utilizes the SWOT analysis and the marketing mix analysis to gain insights into its internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as its external opportunities and strengths. By utilizing the SWOT analysis, Nespresso is able to pinpoint its strengths and the areas that require enhancement. By comprehending these factors, Nespresso can formulate strategies to capitalize on its strengths. Next, the assessment of the marketing mix is able to empower Nespresso to analyze and refine its marketing tactics concerning the four fundamental elements: product, pricing, place, and promotion.
In this process is where the product is actually manufactured. So basically what the company has been brainstorming and building up ideas to is where now it leads up to the product actually being made, and after testing and refining, it's ready to be launched to the market.
The next step is the test marketing. The test marketing is essentially they're putting out their product in a certain geographical area that applies to that product to test and see if it's worthy for the market. This helps them ensure that their product doesn't fail because they'll know whether or not the consumers want their product. An example of test marketing in Nespresso is they usually test market their products in Japan, Switzerland, and Italy because these are places that like coffee. So they put their product out there to see if coffee consumers want their new product.
The final step is commercialization. This deals with finalizing all plans and budgets regarding the manufacturing and marketing of this new product. By using a step-by-step product introduction process, this decreases the risk of introducing this new product to the market. Nationwide success does not happen overnight, so using a slow, easy process ensures that the company is not overthrown, and demand may overpower production, so by introducing this product slowly, the company can manufacture enough of the product.